Hello everyone. Thanks for joining again and welcome to my channel. So basically today I'm going to demonstrate how we can add the user data for our EC2 instance. So if I assume if you have done manual approach like before, we usually do, we just go inside the AWS account and we go inside launch our instance, and if you see we click launch our instance, fill all the information, and at last if we go, either we upload user file which user data file with all the configuration, or we can add here, just copy paste here, and also we can encode it that data as well. So this process we do manual, but nowadays in the automation era we don't do that. It's very often we do it, and it's just like we have to do it for small things, so then only we do go with that approach. However, in this I just took an example of the generating a Docker container. So if you guys don't know the containers, that's fine. This is just a small server, where we say like microservice server, which we're going to generate. That's Nginx, and that I'm going to use to publish my website. And that is the on port 80 as well. So don't take too much things, and because Docker, when once I finish this Terraform, then I will switch to Docker to show you how the Docker works. And also, I made a video for Docker if you want to see and get a knowledge about, like, to get familiar. Basically, I would say just see my videos. So Docker is very nowadays. No one wants to do virtualization, and the Docker container in the containerized world, and the orchestration is so easy inside Docker, so you can able to perform very easily. So, and one thing, before going this, so I would say always, if you are just changing any configuration such as like this, putting user data, or as I updated my this uh, AMI with the latest one. I just saw like they have the latest one, so I just already copy and paste it here, because they usually change the AMI's images, so you just need to be aware. And here today I'm going to name is my EC2 star and EC2 instance, uh, Docker 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 is fine. Okay, so just for sake, like we're making the Docker, we're using Docker containers too. And one more thing I had added here, as I'm using port 80, so I must enable the security group in the in ingress rule, TCP/80 port public access. This is a HTTP. So always, like, if you go and see like the website, so you must use HTTP or HTTPS secure one. Here we are not making this secure. That's like different approach. We will do it, but later on. But and also this ingress out and egress, always keep in mind, if you see in the security group, ingress is the inbound rule and egress is outbound, so it's just a terminology difference. Other than that, I think the same here, so nothing too much. And last video I already show you this all information. So let's start with the Terraform. Wait a second, I want to show you two commands which is keep it handy always. To see terraform format, it will align your files. So see main.tf, there's some changes, and alignment, the terraform itself that does for us. And there is uh, pick a button, wait a second, terraform validate. So this will gives a validation that our file doesn't have any kind of bug and error or some kind of syntax error. If it gives a validation, then it means the main.tf and provider.tf, both files are good and the conversion is valid. So after then, we just go with the flow which we did yesterday, Terraform plan. In our last video, like I showed you Terraform plan, make a habit of Terraform plan always to see like what exactly you are going to make through this script, and this will basically give us the knowledge about like this all the things are going to generate through this script and these resources, so that we can match it, and if there's any changes required we can do immediately. Otherwise, yeah, you need to then recreate it for sure. So here, as you see, security group 80 or 22, this to ingress rule needs to enable egress, outbound, everything enable, and the user data, this is there because they change to binary codes, and Docker PAM file is there, T2 micro is there, and AMID is there. So that's all the things we needed for sure. And after that, as I did it yesterday, Terraform apply auto proof. Today I'm not going to do that because with auto proof it won't ask you any kind of permission, which I was talking about yesterday, which I know you guys just don't know like what I was talking, but today I want to show you the other way. Terraform apply directly. So what it does, it will start to apply, but eventually it will ask us a permission that I am going to do this all the things. Are you and okay with that? So we say yes for that, and we say and just put enter, and after then it will start creating. So it is kind of same plan thing. So Terraform plan provide us all the information, and Terraform when apply, if we do or don't do auto proof, it will give us a step. Hey, these things I'm going to do now. Are you okay with that? And after that, it will the things will get created for us. So let's jump on to our basic EC2 instance, where we have this server up and running, and I want to grab the public IP. Here you go, my Sun Docker. So let's grab the command. The command. I just want to show you like our Docker container is up and running. Let's go inside, check it. Yes. So let's go to sudo privilege to see Docker ps. Yeah, so this is the container which we have generated through, uh, and you can see 21 second later. Oh, systemctl. I think Docker status. Always I confuse this with the status of Docker. Just reverse it sometime, you know. Okay. So yeah, our Docker is up and running, and it's getting loaded perfectly fine. And let's jump back to Docker PS. Why? Because we know to, and let's get a little wider. And let me just minimize that to show you the actual field. And this is my first container. So let's copy that. Docker exec interactive mode. So you want the Docker name, my first container, and I want that in shell. So now we are in where we are. We are in the Nginx container, and you can see. So we need to go user ct user share, and I will say Nginx. Let's ls HTML file is there, and cd html ls So cat index.html. This is a configuration from HTML. So now I'm going to demonstrate you, show you like the actual that website, which is engine website is going to come up with the public IP and on port 80. So as I open for everyone, if and I didn't put any like range. So HTTP, because we port open port 80. If we could have open port 443, then we have to write HTTPS. So that's the only difference. And port 80. Now we will get Nginx default page. Enter. Here you go. This is the process. Welcome to Nginx page. And this all the things is written as I show you inside the container. If you go, so this all the welcome to Nginx. This is there. Even though if you want to alter this, that also you can do it. You can make your own way. That's not a thing. So with I don't know you are familiar with VI. VI is editor, VI Nano for Ubuntu. So this is editor, we use it. So once we are inside that, if we want to delete all the lines, so don't do anything. Just once you are inside, we after the command of vi index.atm, just press ddd as many times to delete everything. So as I'm pressing ddd, so all the lines is getting deleted. So don't do anything, just ddd. So it's getting deleted the line. So and after that, I for inside. So I'm putting html, and here you can put your body as well. So in body you can say this is the terraform class, and if you want any paragraph as well, welcome to Nginx website. Okay, now I did a mistake there. Okay, now transition, escape, semicolon, wq. Just make sure we have the appropriate emotion there. As you can see, um, cat index or atm cat is to show whatever is there in the file, so it shows there. And let's go check our website and refresh it. See, that must. This is the Terraform class. Welcome to engineering website. This, and you can put like hell number of lines, as like if you want to put any website as well. Like let's take like a dead demo. Like let me ask you, uh, ChatGPT. Like, hey, give me a website. Give me website page to put into index.html. So we are just asking to our ChatGPT, like, give me a website. So if you can get the website information, then you just need to copy paste there, and you eventually let's go inside. In meantime, if is like if ChatGPT is generating for us, we just need to go inside vi index tab html. Same thing, d, delete everything. Insert mode. I'm just going to grab the information which the ChatGPT is going to give me. Mm, Here you go. Paste. So this all the information is there, which ChatGPT gave to me eventually, and we just WQ And now we just need to go and check our website and see. Welcome to. It looks nice because they use CSS. That's why we just put it like two lines. Welcome to my custom engines page. This page is out from engines container running on Docker. Learn more about engines. That's it. So when you click it, because it is hyperlinked, but it is just give you the some random websites, but like you can, if you know the how the HTML and CSS work, so yeah, you can play around as much you want. But this is terraform class. Come back to topic. So this all the thing like we successfully generated, and now let's go exit, exit, log out, log out. Wait, log out. And now we just need to use terraform destroy to destroy our resources. This is always take care. You must destroy everything. That is the best way to preserve your free time limit. And just give it a couple of minutes. So once it gets destroyed, and it will give you notification as two things is destroyed. As like we made it two in the while planning. You see, if you remember, they said two to add. So same thing, two to destroy. So yeah, that's all the thing. And just wait for comments, then after that it will be. And next time I have the information regarding like we can able to uh, make it the terraform file which we are just using to see the state, this terraform file. I don't want to save this terraform file here. I want this terraform file to be stored in my S3 bucket. That is our next class task. And because we don't want like we don't want to lose this like beta, well, that's why we keep it in this safe place. And that's like if you once you will be in the corporate world, you do same thing. We have to make a backend .df file, and that we give a S3 bucket link, and that terraform state file will go directly there rather than just sitting on your local operating system, because anyone can delete and then you can retrieve to your state afterwards, and you don't know which all the infrastructure you are running and you have built so far with which configuration. So that's the essential thing. But don't worry, I will show you like how to do. And also like if you want to save in GitHub, that also I will show you. And but best way is like if you are running with all things in AWS, so S3 bucket is very preferred way always to do. And so yeah, that's all. And we are just still waiting because sometime it has a process. Firstly, the server was running and it will get slowed down, and after then terminate. So see, yeah, destroyed, everything destroyed. Thank you guys.